This video is sponsored by Thermo King, manufacturers of transport temperature control solutions. Visit thermoking.com for more information.
I'm Alex Chrissy, Senior Editor of Fleet Equipment Magazine, and this is Fleet Equipment's On the Road. One notable advantage of trucking technology is the opportunity to level the playing field between large and small fleets. Take predictive maintenance, for example, which takes years of data from a wide variety of trucks and aggregates it to predict how much potential there is for an upcoming failure for particular components. For instance, if a certain make and model of truck has a transmission that often runs into a certain problem between 90 and 100,000 miles, predictive maintenance solutions can track the problem and chart the likelihood of it happening. This allows you to weigh the costs and benefits of repairing the transmission before it becomes a pressing issue. This process has traditionally been limited to reporting tools and human intervention, but the technology now exists to analyze potential failures from specific fault codes in near real time as the equipment is driving down the road, immediately alerting the fleet if they need to take action. If you want more in-depth trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.